Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to download and install the Stalker 2 game in your PC or laptop. So first you have to open your any browser, and here in the Google search box you have to just type the Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl, and just let us scroll down and you will see this Steam website on the second number or first. So you have to just open this Steam website. So just a little wait for it until it was completely open. So when it was open, just here a little scroll down and you will see the option to add to cart. So when you scroll down here, you will see the many version of this game, like the deluxe edition or the ultimate edition. Click on the add to cart and here click on the view my cart. So when you click on that, here you can just continue to the payment and make a purchase, and then it will start downloading into your PC and then you can install it. So guys, this is how you can download and install Stalker 2. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.